Welcome to the instructional video for how to navigate the RQ report. The RQ report is important because it shows you all your activity numbers and all your funding sources in one place. Please note, it's helpful to run this report before and after changes have been made to your detailed budget maintenance. Let's first run the report and then we'll go into the details. To run the RQ report, navigate to the main menu, Reporting Tools. In the PS and Vision folder, click on Define Report Request link. Here on the Report Request page, type in FIU01 for all operating funds or FIU02 for the FIU Foundation. In the Report ID field, enter RQ Report ID, if you know it, or RQ to choose from the list. Click Search. On the Define Report Request page, make sure you update the following. Verify the layout. For this, you may copy the layout name. Click on the Look Up icon. Paste the layout name in the Envision Layout search box and click Look Up. Select the latest year. Verify the as of date. Please note, this should be the last day of the current fiscal year. Click on the Scope and Delivery Template link to open the Envision Web Outlook screen and type in your report scope. If you're not sure what your report scope is, you can contact FSSS at extension 7200 and review your options for scope or create a scope. Or you can run the RQ by department ID. Click the OK button to return to the Envision Report Request screen. Make sure the output options say Web as your type and Microsoft Excel as the format. Once you have reviewed the layout, the as of date and scope, click the Save button and then click the Run Report button. This will launch the Process Scheduler request screen. Do not select a server name. The system will automatically choose the server best at the time. Click OK to return to the Envision Report Request screen. From here, you can check on the status of your report by clicking on the Process Monitor. Go back to your report request. Click the Report Manager link. Click the Administration tab. Your report will appear as posted if it's ready. Hold down the Control key while clicking on the report hyperlink. This will download the report to your computer. Please save the RQ report to your network before proceeding to manipulate the data. Once the report opens, it will open to the Position Page Total tab. Open the Activity tab. This tab will summarize all your funding sources and activity numbers. It will show the following: original budget for the current year, your forecast entered in the actual ledger, your adjusted budget versus forecast, your budget entered in the requested ledger, and your budget versus your forecast. This information is broken down into the following sections: revenues, permanent salaries and benefits, OPS, expenses, OCO, debt service, and the total expenses for all categories. In the case of ENG, you have to pay special attention to your commitment control numbers for requested. If you keep scrolling to the right for your auxiliaries, you can further review your operating income, transfers in and out, and your fund balances. Once you have reviewed all of the information in detail, you can then run the FC report by activity number, update your DBM, and rerun the RQ to review your forecast. Once your forecast is complete, you can run the R2 report and start planning for your requested budget. Enter your requested data in the DBM. And again, rerun the RQ to get a big picture of both your forecast and budget for all your activity numbers and funding sources. And this concludes how to run the RQ report.